Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable edge lighting in your Android smartphone. Here I am going to show you that I am using Samsung Galaxy J3 which is running on Android 5.0. That is Android Lollipop. Friends, you can enable edge lighting by installing an app KOE. I will give the link of the app in the description and you can download it from it. After installing you have to go to File Manager, then you have to go to Downloads, then you to search for the app. After finding it you click on it, then you have to install it here. This installation will took maximum 2 minutes. Here I am skipping this so it's now installed. Then you have to open the app. Here is the general theme of the app. Then you have to click on settings. So now I am going to show the settings. Turn on the enable edge lighting. Here you can choose the colors according to your need to. To enable the edge lighting you have to click on the Save option. You can choose either of the 3 ads, then clicking one of the ads you have to click on the Save option. You can choose either of the 3 ads, then clicking one of the ads you have to wait for 1 minute. Then one ad will come. After seeing the ad you can successfully able to enable edge lighting on your smartphone. Then you have to turn off your Android smartphone, then turn on your phone and wait for 10 seconds, then you can successfully able to turn it on. If you are not able to download it, so you have to go back to the app and click on the not working option. Then a couple of instruction from a various smartphone will come, and by following the instruction you can do it. The most common popular that the battery optimization option is enabled. For the app to disable the option you have to go to settings, you have to go to battery, then you have to choose the app optimization option. You have to turn it off, or else you have to turn off the option for the AOE app. Then after it you to repeat the process.